Student, today our topic is 4 digits number. 4 digits number. In this lesson, we will learn about the 4 digits number. What is the 4 digit number, single number, unit, tens and hundreds. These are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 9 is the single numbers. 1, 2, 3. Single number are the unit. 1 place value. 1, 2, 3 are the single. 10. 10 1 the 11. 10 to the 12. Tens. These are the 4 digits numbers. In the 4 digits number, we meet with unit, tens, hundreds and thousands. Unit, single, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units is make tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens is equal hundreds. 10 hundreds make thousands. Students, you know about the 4 digits number. How to write the 4 digits? Relationship between ones, tens and hundred, thousands is called the 4 digits number. Place value of 4 digits number 6573. 3 is single value. Unit, 7 tens, 5 hundreds, 6,000. 6,573. 3 in the unit. In this chart, its unit 7 tens, 500, 6,000. Place value of 6,000. Place value of 500. Place value of 70. 7 tens. Place value of 3 units. Student, look at this. It's a 4 digits number. 4 digits number. Circle value, place value. We write the value of circle digits. Unit, 10, 100, 1000. Unit, 10. Place value of 2. $20. Unit, 10, 100, 1000. Place value of 3. 300. In words is written as 6,573 in words. In 4 digits, placement of commas in big numbers. A comma is placed after every 3 digits starting from units and moving towards less. Starting from units. Unit, 10, 100. 3 digits. Unit, 10, 100. Comma is placed here. Starting from units moving towards left. 6752 from unit, starting from unit, moving towards comma is placed here. It's come after 3 digits. Starting from units, unit 10, 100. After come 3 digits.